Hello, namaste, namaste, namaste. How are you guys? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So, lot of comment from you guys. Show some advanced posture regarding like headstand, like elbow stand. So, कैसे हम शीर्षासन कर सकते हैं? तो इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा कमेंट मुझे बहुत दिन से आ रहा था. तो मैं भी सोच रहा था कि इस टॉपिक के ऊपर कभी वीडियो बनाऊं. तो आज मुझे मेरा एक सिस्टर यहाँ पर मिल गया, अच्छा डेमोस्ट्रेटर. तो क्या होता है, डेमोस्ट्रेटर होता है तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, ईजिली डिस्क्राइब कर पाते हो सब चीज़ को. तो मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूँ, प्लीज़ जो लोग चाहते हो कि शीर्षासन हेडस्टैंड करना, वो लोग प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को पूरा फर्स्ट टू लास्ट वॉच कीजिए. अगर जैसे मैंने सिर्फ डिस्क्राइब किया, अगर प्रॉपर तरीके से आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो डेफिनेटली विद इन अ वीक आप ईजिली हेडस्टैंड कर पाओगे. अब बहुत ईजी सीरीज़ मैंने दिखाया है. रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा सबको प्लीज़ वॉच करना. चैनल में आया तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. चलिए शुरू कर.
Okay, let's go. For the first variation, wall support, take a palm gap or take a finger gap like this, or a little bit close to the wall. You can see here step by step. Then slowly lift up your body, walking leg front and jump. Yeah, jump up. Both leg together up. You can take support and one by one, first leg up. Like you can first right leg or left leg, whatever, up and like hold here 5 seconds, then again the left leg, and try to both leg together up and suck your stomach. Try to focus on your stomach, tight your stomach, tight your elbow. Yes, very good, nice. You have to hold. She practice long time, that's why she easily can. But when you practice, you have to practice step by step like this. The first one was support. When you feel more comfortable, then you can go for like this. Again same, one elbow gap, one by one. The next variation you can see here, working leg front. First right leg fold and little bit up, then second leg fold and little bit up, inhale up. Just you have to, the first option you have to fold your knees. If you have the like tight core, so you can easily balance here, and if you balance here, it's been almost done. Then one by one, leg up, right leg up, then left leg up, whatever you can go, and both legs together up and you go to balance. So I am just going to show you the demonstration how to do. This one is the another variations you can see here. Then again when you go down step by step, slowly fold your leg first, then again slowly come down. That's great. Slowly come down. So once, yes, come to child pose. Okay, relax. Next, we are going to again the tripod positions like this. Drop your both palm side of the knee, head down. Yes. Now one by one, both legs over your elbow. Try to bring your both knees over your elbow. You have to maintain the posture. Tight your core muscle. Again same way, first one by one leg up. When you beginner, try to one by one. If you can, if you have tight core muscle, then you can go for both legs together up. See here, one by one both legs up, and just slowly your normal breathing. You have to balance like this. So one day you cannot do, you have to practice every day, and slowly you can increase your power and you can come to the postures. So this is the variations like this from child pose. Let's come to child posture. Okay, so we are going to another two variations of advanced headstand. Now this time we are going to both palm backs like this. You can take support, handstand, and slowly lift up your body. She practiced with me long time, so she have the tight core muscle. She can easily lift up. Yes, like this. Both legs together up. Yes, try to balance here. Nice. Little bit straight your legs up. Little bit straight. Nice. Excellent. Maintain. Couple of breathe. And slowly come down. Again, you have to hold. That's great. Straight your legs. Slowly come down. Nice. That's beautiful. Straight here. And slowly come down again. Very good. Come to child pose. We are going to, the last one is a little bit advanced, little bit difficult. So one hand balance like this, one hand grab your head, one hand side of the mat, lift up your body. Yes, like this. You come this side, sideways you can show like this. Now inhale, lift up your body, knee up, and try to both legs up one by one like this. Okay, that's great. You have to balance nicely. So when you practice, it will easily come to you also. Tight your core muscle. Nice, excellent. So I am going to show you today is 4 kinds of variation here. I request to everyone, please try to practice every day and complete your dream of headstand. Thanks for watching this video. स्वस्थ रहिए, खुश रहिए, योगा बस हर रोज कीजिए.